Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn 500 to 5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is logo design. Every business needs a memorable logo to represent their brand, and if you have an eye for design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay $50 to $300 per logo depending on the complexity and your experience. To stand out, focus on understanding branding principles and creating designs that align with your client's visions. You can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or Behance, or by networking with small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Next is SEO optimization. Businesses need their websites to rank higher on search engines, and that's where you come in. As an SEO specialist, you'll optimize content, keywords, and website structures to boost visibility. Start by learning the basics of SEO tools like Google Analytics and SEMrush. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per project depending on the scope. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or bloggers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent results, this skill can turn into a high-paying niche. Third is tech support. As more businesses go remote, the demand for tech support specialists is skyrocketing. If you're good at troubleshooting and problem solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of common software and hardware issues. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour for tech support services. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can also reach out to small businesses that need IT help. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is data entry. If you're organized and have a good eye for detail, this skill is perfect for you. As a data entry specialist, you'll input, update, and manage information for businesses, researchers, or individuals. Start by practicing your typing speed and accuracy. Many clients pay $10 to $25 per hour for data entry services. To stand out, focus on delivering error-free work and meeting deadlines. You can find jobs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Remote.co. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Finally, let's talk about transcription. If you have good listening skills and a knack for typing, this skill is perfect for you. As a transcriptionist, you'll convert audio files into written text for clients like podcasters, researchers, and businesses. Start by practicing your typing speed and accuracy. Many clients pay $15 to $30 per hour for transcription services. To stand out, focus on delivering accurate and timely work. You can find jobs on platforms like Rev or TranscribeMe. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose logo design, SEO optimization, tech support, data entry, or transcription, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.